He loves it when I let the pregnancy release off. Okay, shh, listen.
Ay, ay, ay. Mucho bueno.
In the nose, out the mouth.
Shuffling when I was walking, I'm not doing that no more. I had an ear buzzing, and it goes away and it comes back maybe 1/4% out of 5 or 6. It's about 6 months, since I hit my head.
He hit his head on. How much better do you think you are?
Oh, I'm 80. I never had a neck. Where's your neck, Dad? When I went home, they see my neck.
Stretching him because I want to get his neck in the right position so I can adjust it better.
Oh!
Give me a little chin.
Oh, yes, yes.